Welcome to Property Brokers Country in the heart of the Waikato. I'm here with Chris Moore. Tell me about this magnificent property, Chris.
David, stunning property, 51 hectares, beautiful mix of contour. You've got the flat land down there, rolls up into these hills, beautiful clean pastures, shelter, lots of water. Everything's here.
This is a sensational location.
It is.
Where are we?
Oh, look, we are literally Cambridge, 5 minutes. We are right on the edge of Cambridge. You would not get a better location.
Actually, I think that's Cambridge.
That's Cambridge.
See.
It's right there. It's right there. And I'll tell you what, opportunities like this, properties of this size, offering this much in this location, don't come along very often.
Certainly don't. They certainly don't. Views here are pretty special.
Some stunning building sites.
I'd quite like to build a place here.
Yeah, so would I. So would I. You know what? Fonterra actually irrigate 14 hectares of this property with product from the factory there, giving you some really good summer safe certainty with that irrigation through the summer. Nice. So
Outstanding.
whatever it is, whether you're dairy grazing, finishing stock, horticulture, growing crops, whatever you want to do here, so many options.
Well, I think you've got the buyers there. Any of the neighbours, you would milk off this, no problem at all.
Yeah, it's beautiful land.
Agree to that?
Beautiful land. Beautiful dairying country down the bottom there. Some lovely hills here. It's perfect.
Outstanding. Right, where do they find out about this property, Chris?
Jump on the website, give either myself or you a call. We'd love to have a chat. We'd love to show you through. It's a stunning property and we're looking forward to showing it off.
Perfect. Look forward to seeing you out here.
Thanks a lot.